You own some crypto and you're asking yourself where would be the best place to store your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. In today's video, I'll show you my top list of the best crypto wallet. So just sit back, relax, and we're starting right now. Welcome everyone. As usual, my name is Carl, and today I'll give you all the detail you need to know about Bitcoin wallet. So to start, what is exactly a Bitcoin wallet? As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, it's not physical money. Bitcoin or other crypto, they are stored on the blockchain, and see the blockchain as a big ledger, a big accounting ledger. So the software attached to that wallet is connected directly to the blockchain. So it allows you to transmit transaction to the ledger. Crypto wallet is the protocol that generates a private and a public key. Without it, you wouldn't be able to access your fund in the real world. So remember, if you don't control your private key, you don't control your crypto. There are two categories of wallet. There is the cold wallet and there are hot wallet. Cold wallet are usually wallet that are being said offline. Offline, I mean not connected on the internet. That kind of wallet is very useful if you want to hold for long term your crypto. So if you don't need to do any kind of trading or any kind of transaction. And this is the most secure wallet that you can have. So you control the key 100% and it's completely off the internet, so there's no risk of you being attacked from anything outside. And then the second one is a hot wallet. So a hot wallet, it is a wallet connected on the internet. So it can be accessed directly from a website, or it could be a software installed on your computer or installed on your mobile device like your cell phone. And the thing to remember with hot wallet is that you may control your private key or not, depending on which technology you're using. Usually, if you access your wallet from a website like Coinbase, well, you don't control the private key. So it's less secure, but the big advantage here is that you can access your fund or your account or your wallet from any computer very easily. And it is also very simple to use. If you access your wallet from a software on your computer, laptop, or mobile device, there is a good chance that you do control the private key. What I mean is that most of the time, those software that we will be using, the key will be stored directly on the device. So if you lose your phone or your laptop gets stolen, well, you might lose all your crypto. But don't panic, there's good backup mechanisms if that kind of situation happens. So there's a way that you can restore your wallet if you lose your phone, if your computer crash or whatever happened. There are some possible way that we can restore your private key. All right, so now that we know the different kind, here are some of the few that I recommend the most and that I use personally. And by the way, they're all free to use. All right, so let's start with cold wallet. The best one for that category would be hardware wallet. So I'll show you directly on the website. There's the two most popular being used. The first one is Trezor. So Trezor, they have two models that they have available. So it's basically a small USB device that you can just connect to any computer and you can transfer your fund directly to it. And when you're done, you can just unplug it, store it, and your crypto will be safe on that device. And there's also Ledger. Ledger is probably the most popular one. There's a few people that I know are using the Ledger, same as me. And I really love the way Ledger work. Same thing with Ledger. They have two model, and they work very similar to Trezor. So it's just a small electronic device. You just connect your computer to it with a USB cable, and from there you can transfer your crypto directly to it. Or the second wallet that I would consider in that category, so there's the hot wallet category, which is a wallet connected directly on the internet. It would be Coinbase. What I like about Coinbase, it's very simple to use, and it's a very big company. It's a very stable company, so we don't have to worry about it. The only thing negative, well, not negative, but the only downside, it is that the private key, you don't control it. It's attached directly to Coinbase. So if, let's say, the company go bankrupt tomorrow, or something happened to the crypto itself, well, you could just probably lose it. But if we go, let's see if I can show you the detail. I just want to show you something first. So let's go to legal privacy, and then insurance. So as we can see, Coinbase, they are protected. So if something happened, so Coinbase secure customer digital currency through a combination of secure online server and offline cold storage. So Coinbase maintain 98% or more of customer digital currency in cold storage, with the remainder in the secure online server as necessary to serve the liquidity need of our customer. So most of the crypto that Coinbase manage, it's safe, like it's already in a cold storage, so if something happened, it's protected. And also Coinbase, they have a good insurance, so they have a commercial criminal insurance. So if something happened to the coin, well, they have a good protection. They have an insurance policy, so you can go and read more in detail. But of the less secure wallet, I would consider that Coinbase would be one of the most secure to use. So Coinbase is very useful when you're starting in crypto, or if you don't necessarily have a large amount of crypto. I love Coinbase for that. Now, the second one, or the next one, actually, that will be a little bit more secure wallet. So the one that I do like, it's called Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet, it's a wallet that is owned by Binance, which is the biggest trading platform in the world. So that's what I kind of like them, because they're really they're owned by a very, very big company. And what is nice about Trust Wallet, well, the private key is stored on your phone, so you're a lot more secure. So nobody control the key for you, so your funds are well protected. Also, Trust Wallet, you can use it to store a couple dozen of different kind of crypto. So it's very easy to use, very private and secure. So that would be my top recommendation if you want to use a wallet on a mobile device. And the last one, or probably for me would be my number one, is Exodus. Exodus, what is nice about it is that you can have a desktop application, and you can also have the mobile application that are linked together. So you can access your wallet from your computer, or you can access it from your mobile device, and they're linked together. And then again, Exodus, you control the private key, so if whatever happened to the outside world, you're protected. Well, you're protected. You're as protected as your computer is protected. So if for some reason you're using a computer full of virus, spyware, or whatever it is, well, you might not be that secure. So it's always good, like I say, always make sure you're using proper protection. If you're using a computer, a laptop, or whatever, even your cell phone, make sure there's not too much garbage and too much spyware or any kind of virus that could reside on your device. But as far as the software itself, it's very secure to use, and it works very good. You control the private key, so you keep all your funds safe on your device, so you don't have to worry about anything. If for some reason your computer crashed or your laptop gets stolen, you lose your phone or whatever, well, you can restore your private key. All you have to do is just to use your recovery phrase that get created at the beginning when you open up your wallet. So what happened is when you open up or you create your account, you'll have like a different kind of word. I think it's 9 or 12 different words that you need to write them down and keep them away. So if something happened later down the road and you need to restore your private key, well, you can do it with those words. So are you older, a trader, or are you someone that holds massive amount of cryptocurrency? Well, it's all depend on your objective or on your goal, on what kind of wallet you should use. So bottom line, it depends what fits your needs and goals. So if you're starting in crypto, like I said, Coinbase is just perfect for you. You're starting to accumulate a little bit of crypto. You want more security, more control on your coin? Well, open an Exodus account so you can control some of that coin. If you're a trader and you like trading your crypto, well, if you use a platform like Binance, well, we know it's the biggest one and they're very probably the most secure to use. So you can use that platform to trade some of the crypto. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's not already done, please hit the like and subscribe button. Like I will be doing a lot of videos similar to this. So if you're starting in crypto or if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you'll receive my future video. So thank you very much. Have a great day and we'll talk to you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.